Today we're updating our doorknobs. At one point, these were gold. 23 years later, they're tarnished and coming apart. So we got some Cielsa Dawn silver keyed entry doorknobs. And join me for the install, which is going to follow next.
They don't have to say it, I already know. I played in fire times before. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm aware of the danger you bring to me. And if the fall down is painful, I'm me to blame. But there's something about you, there's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go.
So I got the doorknobs installed. This specific doorknob comes with 3 keys. Super simple to install. There's the actual doorknob. It's on open, lock, open. It does what a doorknob should. It opens and locks when you need it to. And your keys. Thanks for watching.